Tippecanoe County Coroner needs more money to keep pace with a rising number of autopsies.
News 18's Joe Paul spoke today with Coroner Kerry Costello. He reports how the trend is affecting the office's budget and its limited number of staff.
The Tippecanoe County Council on Tuesday approved a $120,000 appropriation for the coroner's office. As we've previously reported, the number of deaths being investigated by the office this year is up. And as a result, the coroner's office has burnt through most of the money budgeted this year for autopsies. The office has seen 77% more cases compared to last year. Costello says there isn't one single reason for this rise in cases. She says part of the problem is the county's growing population. The pandemic is also a factor. And as we've previously reported, suicides are also more prevalent this year than the past. Costello says she's also worked with local hospitals since she took office to adjust how deaths are reported to the coroner. She says those facilities are now reporting more deaths than they would have in the past.
If there's a fall prior to coming into the hospital and then they pass away, if there's some other medical history, even though there was a fall at home, that could turn into an accident which could have caused the death, so that would be reported to us.
A spokesperson for one local hospital says it's complying with the new procedures. The coroner's autopsy fund is now below $30,000, and it costs about $40,000 a month to keep up with the caseload, which means Costello expects to ask for more money from the council later this year. Costello says her next budget proposal will include additional full-time staff. She says her current staff members are drowning in paperwork, and she'd also like to see a pay raise for herself. Costello says she's among the lowest paid coroners in the state, even though the office sees the third largest caseload in Indiana. Reporting in Tippecanoe County, Joe Paul, News 18.